The situation in Haiti continues to worsen on the ground, especially over the last few weeks.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. No need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder. Cause I
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone is doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Please like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so Prime Minister Andrew Holness addressed Haiti crisis at urgent meeting with Caribbean leaders and US Secretary of State Antony J. Blinken. Prime Minister Andrew Holness expressed deep concern over the ongoing crisis in Haiti, highlighting sustained efforts by Haiti, CARICOM and international community to address political security and humanitarian issues. Despite these efforts, the situation continues to deteriorate with escalating violence, disruption and attacks on citizens and infrastructure. Holness emphasized the urgent need for decisive action by the people of Haiti to combat lawlessness and hopelessness before it's too late, acknowledging the tragic loss experienced by many already. Listen to what he had to say.
Colleague heads of government, Secretary Blinken, Ministers of Foreign Affairs, specially invited guests, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jamaica and to this special meeting which our country is honored to host. I want to thank you for your patience, and I would also like to thank the press for their patience. As we all see, this meeting is a work in progress, and I'm happy to say that we are making progress. Despite sustained efforts and attempts made over time by Haitians, by members of CARICOM, and by the international community to find a solution to the political, security, and humanitarian crisis, the situation in Haiti continues to worsen on the ground, especially over the last few weeks. Without recounting the disruptions and violence being experienced by ordinary Haitians through attacks on institutions and infrastructure, it is clear that Haiti is now at a tipping point. CARICOM and our regional partners are deeply concerned, as are our international partners here present and beyond. CARICOM heads have been intensively engaged in discussion and outreach, which deepened over the past week and indeed today. Strong and decisive action owned by the people of Haiti must be taken to stem the sea of lawlessness and hopelessness before it is too late. We are deeply distressed that it is already too late for too many who have lost far too much at the hands of criminal gangs. The fear of the situation in Haiti worsening to become a civil war is now a real one. We're all agreed that this cannot be allowed to happen, not in our hemisphere, with our long-standing democratic tradition and reputation as a zone of peace. Over many decades, international assistance has been given to Haiti towards the development of a foundation for free and fair elections, reliable and capable national institutions, and sustained socio-economic development. Many of our partners sitting at this table have been a part of these efforts. Haiti needs new, cohesive, domestic resolve and the requisite support from its partners. The people of Haiti deserve the opportunity to experience another way of being, to determine their destiny, to secure their rights, and to be free from oppressive forces within and without. This will therefore require a long-term reconstruction and support plan from the region and the international partners. The Haitian National Police are currently under-resourced and outmanned. The UN Security Council approved multinational security support mission to Haiti, therefore, is a critical and a necessary first step to restore basic law and order and provide an environment of stability to allow the distribution of assistance and the crafting of medium and long-term solutions. On this, I'm certain that we all agree. We can also agree that Haitian voices must be central to any deliberations towards a resolution of the situation. The Haitian people must feel and know that they are a vital part of the process, having ownership in its planning and implementation. However, we who have agreed to facilitate consensus will do an injustice to the people of Haiti if we ourselves are unable to move forward with urgency and resolve. We look forward to the harvesting of the results of the discussions that we have been engaging today. This special meeting must lead us closer to action. As each passing day, the situation becomes more dire for the majority of the people of Haiti and indeed the region. We must resolve to end this state of play and by our actions provide hope for Haitians that this time there will be a positive outcome and things will indeed get better. Disjointed effort will be no match for those who would seek to sow discord and prevent a just and secure future for Haiti. I am pleased, therefore, that we have convened at such short notice this meeting with great determination, that this time we will do for Haiti what needs to be done. Jamaica remains firmly committed to the Haitian cause, as demonstrated through the conduct of our regional responsibilities within the MSS mission, our level of engagement in CARICOM, and at the United Nations. I commend the Chair of Conference, President Ali, for determining that this meeting should take place. I commend my colleague heads, those countries present, and indeed all countries and agencies which have committed or indicated support for the mission. It is my hope that at the end of this meeting, we will have developed a clear and defined pathway forward and will have infused our planning for deployment of the agreed multinational security support mission with the urgency and the vision it requires. The people of Haiti need and deserve nothing less than the safety, freedom, and prosperity that the first free black republic deserves. I thank you.
Thank you, Prime Minister Holness.
That was Prime Minister Andrew Holness giving his speech to the leaders and stating what must be done and the critical role Jamaica will also have to play in ensuring our neighbor country Haiti is back to normal. If you appreciate the videos that I've been making, then you can go ahead and press the like button and leave a comment.